Welcome to the world of Nani Agro Foods Private Limited, a place where all your desires are met with utmost care and transparency. Nani Agro Food is one amongst the foremost manufacturers in India for quality production of spices, food seasonings and private label packaging since the past 4 decades. We at Nani Agro Food believe that great taste knows no boundary. Our journey began with turmeric, considered as a miracle spice in Indian culture. And over the years, our product portfolio has expanded enormously to encompass a vast spectrum of exotic spices, ground spices, seasoning and food products. Nani Agro Food has a facility which is a widespread landscape of over 450,000 square feet. That is 41,800 square meters. And our facilities are at an elevation of 1,000 feet in a pristine, pollution-free environment where fresh air, pure water and a rich soil are just some of the ingredients that Mother Nature provides. We add this to our expertise in world-class production standards. Our equipment includes high-end cleaning machines from Bhooler, a fumigation chamber, drum-type roasters with digital controls and integrated packaging unit which empowers us to produce 90 tons of ground and whole exotic spices per day. We also have an in-house research and development laboratory that works in line with methodologies adopted by research institutes of repute in India and abroad. Physical, chemical and microbiological parameters are tested to ensure that the output is 100% defect-free, authentic and in its purest form. We thrive to create superior value in all the products to satisfy our patrons, and these efforts have been recognized by the Government of India, certifying us with BRC Grade A, FSCC 22213, HACCP, HACCP, US FDA and kosher. Our highest quality standards with any aspect of product development, whether it is sourcing of raw materials, processing, custom label designing and private label packaging, supplying product according to your national standards and norms, including client quality and safety, has enabled us to export the products all over the globe, especially in Europe, UK, USA, Canada, Russia, Middle East, Africa and China. To understand more about how the processing of our exotic spices is done, let us now walk you through the facility. We bring you the finest of turmeric from the heart of India's spice belt, with favorable geographic and climatic conditions that help us to retain the authenticity of the most versatile spice along with its pungent flavor and color. The freshly grown raw turmeric sourced is then kept for fumigation and sun drying, and with the help of manual sorting, the turmeric is graded into fingers, bulbs and splits. The whole turmeric is later sent to drum-type roasters, where the polishing is effected by abrasion of the surface against the mesh and rubbing against each other and removing the rough surface. The turmeric is then destoned to remove any type of foreign particle, which includes stones, metal and glass particles. The whole turmeric is now all set for delivery. The turmeric fingers, after polishing and destoning, is sent to hammer mill, where it is grounded into fine powder through a series of screens of different mesh size, which help us cater to different size of granulation that meets the customer requirements. The finest of ground turmeric, with its authenticity intact, is now ready to get packed. The process through which our wide spectrum of exotic spices is grinded into powder comprises of various stages. The first stage is where the whole spices are cleaned with the help of pre-cleaner. and then the removal of stems and dust particles takes place so that the spice does not lose its nutritional value, after which the spice is destoned to remove any type of foreign particle, which includes stones, metal or glass particles. The specific gravity separator, vibrograder, provides excellent classification efficiency and thus ensures improved quality of the spices at a continuous and consistent quality level. The spices are then processed for grinding in the pulverizer, making sure there is no compromise made in the quality of the spices. The magic of Indian spices comes alive when they are blended in just the right proportions. At Nani, we understand how best to blend masalas, lending food its distinctive taste. Our research laboratory draws upon this traditional wisdom to constantly innovate, bringing you the taste of India in its truest form. Packaging is one of Nani Agro's key strengths. Whatever your packaging size may be, SKU size, packaging format, design needs, labeling and barcoding, Nani Agro's packaging unit delivers high-quality solution at low cost. The automated weighing and sealing machines ensure high-speed production of all SKUs. Our domino coding system can handle batch number, best before and date of packing coding. We source various food derivatives from approved suppliers for packing, which encompasses a wide spectrum of our spices, herbs and their derivatives in packed form as per the requirement of local FDA and customers, and supply private labeling for the products from plastic containers to laminates, from jars to bottles, from vacuum to shrink wrapping, all packed in desired master packaging in cartons to shelf-ready cartons, making it ideal for retail and commercial applications. To conclude, we create a packaging infrastructure that behaves like it is a part of your company and delivers according to your high production standards. Our prime focus is on sustainability and ensuring traceability, so our products reach their destination in the best condition without losing their nutrition, taste, texture and aroma. After all, great taste knows no boundaries.